The Factories Act of 1948 is the cornerstone of industrial safety in India. It applies to any factory employing 10 or more workers using power, or 20 or more without power. Its primary goal is to ensure the health, safety, and welfare of workers during their employment. The Act strictly regulates working hours, ensuring mandatory rest intervals and overtime compensation. It also mandates specific provisions for drinking water, sanitation, and first aid to maintain a humane workplace. Now, let's test your understanding with 5 quick questions. 1. What is the minimum worker threshold for a power-using factory? 2. Which year was this act enacted? 3. Does the act mandate a safety officer? 4. What is the maximum daily work limit? And 5. Does it cover canteen facilities for large factories? Master these concepts to ensure workplace compliance.